I'm Hema from HindiOnlineClass.com. How can I say I know or I don't know in Hindi? Let's talk about this in this video. In Hindi, there are three different ways to express to know verb. It depends on its meaning and its context. Therefore, we will see the to know verb in two different videos. In this first video, we will see the to know verb in two different meanings. So let's get started without further delay. In the first meaning, the to know verb is used to express about knowing a person. When I want to say I know a person or I don't know a person, I use the verb janna in Hindi. Let's see some examples with the use of the janna verb. Example 1. I know Mr. David. When a woman says, she would say, मैं डेविड जी को जानती हूँ. When a man says, he would say, मैं डेविड जी को जानता हूँ. The same sentence when I want to say in a negative way, I would say, I don't know Mr. David. मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानती. Or I would say, if a man says, he would say, मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानता. You would notice that in the above two sentences, I didn't use the auxiliary verb है. Instead of saying, मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानती हूँ, or instead of saying, मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानता हूँ, I'm just saying, मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानती और मैं डेविड जी को नहीं जानता. This is because in a negative sentence, in a present tense, you can skip using the auxiliary verb. So let's move on to another example with the usage of the janna verb. Example 3. Do you know the shopkeeper? Do you know the shopkeeper? क्या आप दुकानदार को जानते हैं? क्या आप दुकानदार को जानते हैं? So in the above examples, you can see that when you want to express the feeling that you know a person or you don't know a person, you use the verb janna in Hindi. So now let's see the second type of to know verb. In this type, the to know verb is used not to say about knowing a person, but to express the fact that you know about something or someone, or you have information about something or someone. Let us see an example with this usage. Example 1. I know. So this I know can be expressed in three different ways. You can know about anything. You can know about a tea shop. You can know about a person. So in this meaning, let us see how we express it in Hindi. This can be expressed in three different ways. 1. मैं जानती हूँ. When a woman is saying, मैं जानती हूँ. Or I can use another verb, the to know verb, which is मुझे मालूम है. मुझे मालूम है. Another usage of to know verb is मुझे पता है. मुझे पता है. So out of all these three examples, you can see that the first example, मैं जानती हूँ, doesn't take a co-postposition with the subject, whereas the remaining two examples, मुझे पता है, मुझे मालूम है, takes a co-postposition after the subject. So let's see more examples with the same usage. Example 2. Do you know about Mr. Sharma? Do you know about Mr. Sharma? क्या आप शर्मा जी के बारे में जानते हैं? This is one way of saying. The second way with a co-postposition. क्या आपको शर्मा जी के बारे में मालूम है? The third way of saying. क्या आपको शर्मा जी के बारे में पता है? So let's see another example. Example 3. I don't know. मैं नहीं जानती. मुझको मालूम नहीं है, मुझको पता नहीं है. So you would notice that at times I'm using mujhe and at times I'm using mujhko. This is because the mujhe is the short form of mujhko. Both mean the same. So either you can say mujhko or you can say mujhe. Let's see another example. Example 4. Sheila knows the way. शीला रास्ता जानती है. और you can say शीला को रास्ता मालूम है. Or you can say शीला को रास्ता पता है. So now you can see that you can use the to know verb in 3 different forms when you want to express the fact that you know about something or you have information about something or someone. Let's see another way of using the to know verb. When I want to say that I know that someone is doing something, or when someone does something, or when I want to say like I know that something is going to happen, then I would say I would use the to know verb in the following ways. Example 1. Sister knows that I sing well. Sister knows that I sing well. This sentence can be said in 3 different ways with जानना, मालूम होना and पता होना. Let's see. बहन जानती है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. बहन जानती है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. सेकंड वे. बहन को मालूम है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. बहन को मालूम है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. द थर्ड वे. बहन को पता है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. बहन को पता है कि मैं अच्छे से गाती हूँ. Let's see another example of the same kind. Father knows that tomorrow the shop will be closed. Father knows that tomorrow the shop will be closed. Again, the same sentence can be said in 3 different ways with जानना, मालूम होना and पता होना. With जानना, पिताजी जानते हैं कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. पिताजी जानते हैं कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. Another way of saying with मालूम होना, पिताजी को मालूम है कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. पिताजी को मालूम है कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. Third way of saying the same sentence with पता होना, पिताजी को पता है कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. पिताजी को पता है कि कल दुकान बंद रहेगी. So I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding the verb to know and how to use the to know verbs in different contexts in Hindi. So thanks for watching this video and until next time, namaste.